Chapter 9. Be contented with what you have. Scene. Ria and Arav are sitting under a large tree in their school playground during lunch break. Ria sighs, sometimes I wish I had all the new gadgets that everyone else has. My phone is so old, and I don't have the latest video games. It feels like I'm missing out on so much. Arav, I know what you mean, Ria. I used to feel the same way. But then, my grandfather told me something that changed my perspective. Ria, really? What did he say? Arav, he said, true happiness comes from being content with what you have, not from constantly wanting more. At first, I didn't understand what he meant. But then he shared a story with me that made it clear. Ria, a story? I'd love to hear it. Arav, sure. It goes like this. Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a farmer named Raj. Raj was a hard-working man who owned a small piece of land. He grew enough crops to feed his family and sell a little extra in the market. Although Raj didn't have much, he was happy and content. One day, a wealthy merchant visited the village. He had a big mansion, luxurious clothes, and all the latest gadgets. Raj admired the merchant's wealth and began to wish he had more land, more money, and a bigger house. He started to feel unhappy with his simple life. Determined to become rich, Raj worked day and night, saving every penny to buy more land. Years passed, and Raj's farm grew bigger. He had more crops, more money, and even built a larger house. But instead of feeling happier, Raj felt more stressed and tired. He was always worried about his farm and his wealth. One evening, Raj sat down with his old friend, Ravi, who was still a simple farmer. Ravi noticed Raj's troubled expression and asked, "Why do you look so unhappy, my friend?" Raj replied, "I thought having more land and money would make me happy, but I feel more burdened than ever." Ravi smiled and said, "Happiness isn't about how much you have, but about being content with what you have. Look around you, Raj. You have a loving family, good health, and a beautiful home. Learn to appreciate these blessings." Raj reflected on Ravi's words and realized the wisdom in them. He started to spend more time with his family, enjoy the simple pleasures of life, and be grateful for what he had. Slowly, he felt a sense of peace and true happiness that he hadn't felt in years. Ria, wow, that's a beautiful story. So, Raj found happiness by being content with what he had. Arav, exactly. My grandfather explained that always wanting more creates a never-ending cycle of dissatisfaction. But when we appreciate what we have, we find true happiness and peace. Ria, that makes a lot of sense. I guess I've been too focused on what I don't have instead of appreciating what I do have. Arav, it's natural to feel that way sometimes. But remember, contentment is the key to happiness. It's great to have goals and dreams, but we should also value and enjoy the present. Ria, you're right, Arav. I have a loving family, good friends, and many things to be thankful for. From now on, I'll try to focus more on what I have rather than what I lack. Arav, that's the spirit, Ria. When we appreciate our blessings, we find joy in the simplest things. Ria, thanks, Arav. I'm glad we had this conversation. It really helped me see things differently. Arav, anytime, Ria. Sometimes, we all need a little reminder to be grateful. Let's enjoy our lunch and be thankful for this beautiful day. Ria, agreed. Let's make the most of it.